Introducing the 2008 GMC Sierra 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck just recently passed the 50,000-mile mark. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like heated seats, a power seat, a trip computer, a rear step bumper, rain-sensing wipers, adjustable pedals, and leather upholstery. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. You'll see better when backing up thanks to Rear Park Assist, which watches out for obstacles behind your vehicle. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.